How's it going? Welcome back. It's Jonathan. Nothing fancy today. We're just going to go straight in and take a quick update on the Bitcoin chart, because the Bitcoin chart has definitely pushed through the last price clustering, which was ending right here in the last video. It is the 18th, so the market looks like it is possibly going to respect the 18th. A few weeks ago, we did pop in this second cluster location down here. That means that the market is going to continue pushing lower. It could push lower another 7%, though if we do get a turn date on the 18th in this location right here, then that could be favorable to the outcome here. As you can see, for those who are definitely following that 50-period moving average, it has not respected it. It has fallen through it, and there's definitely a lot of fear happening in the markets right now. If we head over to our squares, we did get a break through that original 220 degree, and it has now come down to this 45 degree. So let's just keep this in mind. The 18th was a marked date. I did get a bit hopeful yesterday when the market had reversed higher on the 17th, but I'm now chewing my own cheek here in the fact that I thought maybe we could have gotten a day early, but we keep moving down from here. So let's go ahead and get a pencil up and draw a few scenarios. So the market did have a very significant resistance level right here. It has broken through it. This whole period here is a price cluster location, so the market can come down into any area here and still find that resistance, and it would still be favorable to the bullish move. Though, as I mentioned yesterday, I believe that the dynamic has now changed with respect to the end of the cycle, and we need to keep that in mind. Anyway, if the market does push through this here and move down, then we could definitely be looking for this box down here, which would take us down into the 53 to 52,000 location. That's definitely another significant pullback, and it would give us a complete top to bottom decline of around, let me go ahead and get that up, top to bottom decline of around 20%. That would not be good. I wouldn't like to see that, though it is what it is, and we need to just keep moving with the market from here on out. So we'll see how the market goes over the next 24 hours. We could potentially be looking at a bottom, though as you may know by now, the next location for a bottom, if it does completely ignore this 18th date, the next bottom I'm looking for, or at least the next market change, would be around that 22nd to 23rd of November. And I think that's probably another location to be watching. Yeah, it doesn't look good at the moment. It looks like it is breaking lower. So we'll just see this play out. I don't have anything else to say. I did not buy yesterday, and I hope none of you bought yesterday, because that's not how we use this. We don't buy when the probability is low. So as the market pushed higher, I said you could do it, but it is a lower probability trade, and low probability trades are not ones you want to take. You definitely want to be taking these ones here where the market comes down and then it shows a reversal. Those are the high probability trades when we get them inside these boxes, though we'll take that as it comes. Don't follow anything I say with respect to buying and selling. It's all information purposes only. Let's go ahead and just pull up our VIX fix right here, squeeze that up. So with the VIX fix, we have buy zones in the red, we have sell zones in the green. It has been sitting in the sell zone for quite a while. We're now moving higher. I shouldn't say completely high, but we are now moving into this equilibrium zone where we may find some support in the market. So if the market does come up into this area up here, and it does hit this yellow price point up here, that could be an equilibrium zone, and that may occur over the next 2 to 3 days, but we'll see how this plays out. I'll leave the forecasting aside for now because I spent some time on that yesterday, but just thought it would be worth the respect to you to give you a quick update, as I'm getting my inbox filled right now with messages, and a lot of people are starting to get a bit more fearful. So let's just take everything as it comes now, and let's push forward from here.